And let's begin with some breaking inputs. We are tracking Sachin Vaze's custody ends today. The agency will seek more time at a time when they have invoked UAPA anti-terror charges on Sachin Vaze. Times Now has also accessed a crucial piece of evidence, CCTV footage from February 17. As you can see on the right-hand side of the screen, Mansukh Hiren gets into the car which was allegedly driven by Sachin Vaze. Let me open this up. Joining us is Arunil, who's accessed the CCTV footage. Our colleague Strajal Siddhant Rakesh will be joining us shortly. Yes, Arunil, put this in context for our viewers.
Well, this is a crucial piece of evidence for the investigation agencies, considering the fact that it was the same Sachin Vaze who accepted to the ATS as well as to the crime branch. When he was also the investigation officer, the crime branch had accepted that Sachin Vaze never informed them about knowing Mansukh Hiren, never told them that he was using the same car, the Scorpio car, which was kept outside the Antila residence of Mukesh Ambani. Now, this proves that Sachin Vaze had indeed met Mansukh Hiren on the 17th of February. It was the same luxury car in which they had met. The entire conspiracy was hatched during this time only. The car keys were also exchanged during this time. However, the big question, if we connect the dots, who is at the end point? Who was the main political mastermind behind this conspiracy that Sachin Vaze was hatching? That is the big question that the BJP is asking, because Sachin Vaze was only an inspector level officer. He was using car from the Mumbai Police Force. He was so confident that he was meeting Mansukh Hiren out in the open. In fact, this meeting happened right outside the CST railway station. He knew that CCTV cameras will obviously capture them, but he was so confident that the case will come to him only as an investigation officer, which indeed happened first. But when the NIA was roped in,
right, let's see what happens with Sachin Vaze's custody, but let's also talk about the politics in this case. Instead of probing the allegations, the Aghadi government, it seems, now going after the investigator Rashmi Shukla. Here's a tweet by Jitendra Awad of the NCP. He says, Rajendra Yadravkar, independent MLA from Shirol in Kolhapur, was forced by Rashmi Shukla to oppose the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi and be with the BJP. Was it her job? Under what authority did she act? So, massive allegation by a top minister in the Maharashtra Vikas Aghadi government. Jitendra Awad, senior leader of the Nationalist Congress Party, now making this big allegation against Rashmi Shukla, the IPS officer who is in the center of this storm. Arunil.
Well, the Mahavikas Aghadi leaders have been repeatedly saying that Rashmi Shukla, who exposed this nexus of politicians, brokers, how plum posts were given to some cops in this nexus that was operating. The MBA leaders have been saying that phones were tapped illegally. Here, Jitendra Awad going against Rashmi Shukla, saying that she tried to convince an independent MLA from Shirol, basically telling him to basically go with the BJP and not the Mahavikas Aghadi. He has not given any proof till now. However, these are some serious allegations leveled against Rashmi Shukla. And as Times Now also broke it earlier, that the Maharashtra government is planning to take action against Rashmi Shukla in this on the phone tapping incident, basically. And a report has been sought by Maharashtra CM Uddhav Thackeray from the Chief Secretary, which soon will be given to the Maharashtra government. And we understand that basically the Maharashtra government is pointing towards that some illegal methods were opted by Rashmi Shukla, allegedly, as per the sources from the Maharashtra government, that the reason that was given to tap certain phones was a terror threat that was raised, and also most of the numbers were not mentioned while taking the permission. Yet most of the phones of all the government officials as well as some politicians were tapped at that time, and this was the main point of discussion during the cabinet meeting that happened yesterday. It was discussed at length, and in fact, Nana Patole, while speaking to Times Now, clearly said that action has to be taken against Rashmi Shukla. The Maharashtra government is planning an action against Rashmi Shukla because she was working in the capacity as an officer of the Maharashtra government, and yet tapped some of the phones of the political leaders as well as some government officers, and then gave the information to the BJP. So the main allegation is like Rashmi Shukla was acting on the behalf of BJP and gave information to Devendra Fadnavis. Devendra Fadnavis via a press conference.
Okay, hold your
exposed-
thoughts. Here's a reaction of the bar owner that was raided and blackmailed by Sachin Waze.
Okay, so as per the investigation done by Maharashtra ATS, it has been found that Mr. Sachin Waze was present in Thane. He was very much present at the spot where Mansukh Hiren was killed. And right after his killing, Sachin Waze came to this Tipsy bar, which is in Dongri area of Mumbai, and he raided this bar. This is believed to be a plan of Mr. Waze to create an alibi and evade the investigation in their future stage. So he raided this bar. The raids went on for quite some time. Then he also made diary entry in Dongri police station. I am being joined by Rajendra Anna, Rajesh Shetty, who is owner of this bar. साहब ये बताइए कि ATS का कहना है कि भाई वो उसका कत्ल करके सीधा यहाँ आया और बार में रेड किया। नहीं, वो आपको नहीं पता। तो उस रात क्या हुआ, कितने लोग थे और वजह 20 आदमी लेके आए। डोंगरी पुलिस का टीम था, SS ब्रांच का किसका टीम था?
दोनों का था।
दोनों का
अपना डोंगरी का भी था।
डोंगरी का भी टीम था और SS का भी था।
SS का क्राइम का है कि मेरे को अपना नहीं पहचानता है।
हाँ।
इधर वो टोटल अपना 20 आदमी तक था।
तो ये सीधा अंदर आए और क्या कुछ बोला आप लोगों से कि सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग का वायलेशन है या क्या बोला?
सोशल डिस्टेंस कुछ नहीं है। अपना वो लोग आया, चेकिंग किया पूरा।
हाँ।
अपना पब्लिक कोई नहीं था। डिस्टेंस करने का उसका मतलब यही नहीं है। कोई
कितनी देर रुके?
2 बजे तक था।
2 बजे तक थे। कितने बजे आया? 11 साढ़े 11 के करीब है।
11 का बाद 11:30 के बाद में है।
हाँ। और 2 बजे तक रुके?
हाँ, 2 बजे तक था।
2 बजे तक रुके। अच्छा, एक चीज़ और बता दीजिए कि क्या कोई इरेगुलरिटी पाई? आपने डॉक्यूमेंट्स उनको दिए? क्या इशू हुआ था?
अपना डॉक्यूमेंट में लाइसेंस वही वो पूछा, मैं दिखाया सब।
आपने दिखाया?
हाँ।
ये सब जो हरकत है ये CCTV में कैप्चर हुई जब ये अंदर है?
वो आते टाइम अंदर कैचअप
हुआ था। अच्छा, और क्या कुछ परेशान लग रहे थे वजह उस वक्त? कुछ
नहीं उतना मैं अपने वो लोग का मास्क पहन के अपना कुछ पहचानता भी नहीं है। अपना उतना ये नहीं था। अपना हिसाब से
अपना तो किसी को अरेस्ट करके ले गए, कुछ किया?
अरेस्ट करने का अपना है ही नहीं कुछ
नहीं किया। सिर्फ आपने कागज दिखाया और चले गए फिर?
हाँ, बस।
कुछ परेशान किया आपको?
नहीं परेशान कुछ नहीं।
कुछ परेशान नहीं किया,
कुछ नहीं।
बस आए, रेड किया और डायरी एंट्री की।
चेक किया, पेपर वर्क चेक
कुछ
किया।
इरेगुलरिटी भी दिखाई?
बस कुछ नहीं।
कुछ दिखाया कि कुछ इलीगल है या कुछ?
नहीं इलीगल कोई है ही नहीं। तो
कुछ नहीं दिखाया? अच्छा, क्या इससे पहले भी आपको फोन करते थे कुछ पैसा वैसा या ऐसा कुछ मांगने के लिए?
अपने पहचानते नहीं है।
नहीं
पहचानते नहीं है मैं उसको।
Okay. So there you see Mr. Rajesh Shetty is owner of this bar situated in Dongri. Now he has to say that indeed Mr. Waze came to raid his bar on on that particular day at around 11:30. He was here inside this bar till 2 in the morning and they did not find anything. And the owner also has to say there was no...
Big news coming in. 63 bullets that are unaccounted have been found at Sachin Waze's residence. Live bullets found by the NIA. He was given a service pistol, 30 bullets by the department officially, out of which only 5 were recovered. Accused could not answer about the details of the missing 25 bullets. NIA informs court that accused has destroyed few DVRs also, that approximately 12 lakhs were paid for the hotel room in Oberoi for 100 days. Fake ID card, the Aadhaar card that Times Now put out, was used. Accused has shown the place where mobile phones were destroyed and clothes were burnt. Samples from the place are sent to FSL for further examination. Rakesh now joining us for more. Yes, Rakesh.
I informed the Section 16 and 18 of the UAPA have also been invoked against Sachin Waze, and his audio sample has also been recorded, which is sent for the FSL examination. Along with that, this audio and visual of the demo that was conducted recently, which to match the footage with the CCTV footage where he was seen wearing a PP kit kind of clothes, have also been sent to FSL for further examination, and the report of the same is still awaited to see whether this person is a safe person who was walking suspiciously on night of 25th on the Cosmichael Road outside Antilia. So the sensational info that NI has brought before the court is that 62 live bullets and these are unaccounted live bullets were found at his residence during search by the NIA. He couldn't explain why these 62 bullets were kept at his residence. Other than that, he was also given a pistol and 30 bullets by the department officially, but out of those, only 5 could have been recovered from this house search, and the 25 were still missing. So, and I also wanted to know from the accused that what was the use of those 25 and what the account of those missing 25 live bullets. But accused is not cooperating with certain investigation, though he has also shown the place where the clothes were burnt. Remember, this was the clothes which they had worn on 25th night so that they can hide their identity. And after that, the moment left Carmichael Road and crossed Mumbai limits and reached Thane, somewhere in the Thane they burned these clothes. And that place has been thrown to NIA. The samples have been taken and have been sent for FSL examination. Sachin Waze has also shown the places where number plates and the mobile phones and other SIM cards were destroyed. So many more investigations that needs to be done by the NIA. NIA is now seeking his remand, the extension of his remand. And the important ground is that they have just taken over the murder case of Mansukh Hiran. They also want Sachin Waze to confront with the other 2 accused, which were earlier arrested by ATS and now to.
We have a bad audio line, Rakesh, with you. We'll try and reconnect with you in just a bit. But Siddhant also joining the broadcast. Let's also put out pictures of the fake Aadhaar card that was broken on Times Now. This is the document used allegedly by Sachin Waze to check into that luxury hotel. You spoke to the manager, Siddhant, who paid 13 lakhs in cash, who got 13 lakhs in cash from a Mumbai jeweler to make the payment, booking the room for 100 nights.
That's correct, Pranesh. Every day new details are coming out since both the agencies have worked extensively on the case. Now, yesterday, we almost went to each of the places, those who helped Sachin Waze booking room in the Trident Hotel. We also spoke to the manager of the travel agency. He confessed that 13 lakhs were paid to him. 13 lakhs were paid in cash, and he booked room for Sachin Waze in Trident Hotel for 100 days. We also spoke to the brother of Mahesh Chhajed, the guy who paid 13 lakhs to the travel agent, and he has to say that they know the travel agency very well, and they did the booking for Mr. Waze. Now today NIA has made the submission in the court, which Rakesh is getting us. They say that there were some live cartridges recovered from Sachin Waze's residence. NIA has also said that they used fake Aadhaar card to book room in the Trident Hotel. They also have to say that they burned clothes and they destroyed cell phones, and those locations were also shown to the agency by the accused. So this case is getting interesting, Pranesh, and what is very important here to highlight is that now UAPA sections have been slapped, which can invite life imprisonment also. And why these sections are slapped, the sources in the agency are telling me that this has been slapped because there is indeed the involvement of
thanks for that quick update, Siddhant. We'll have to take a short break. Lots more lined up on Times Now. As NIA is seeking more custody of Sachin Waze, in fact extension of Waze's custody, here are details tumbling out of the in this case on Times Now. The NIA has told the court that Waze is not cooperating, that service bullets, at least 25 of them, are missing. They have recovered 62 live bullets which are unaccounted for from Sachin Waze. Waze also destroyed crucial evidence, is the charge by the NIA. Arunil, what do you make of this? Serious charges now.
Well, the most significant development will be from the court itself that the NIA is saying that Sachin Waze is not cooperating, and that is why the NIA has asked for more custody of Sachin Waze. The stringent UAPA norms have been made applicable on Sachin Waze, and if that is approved, then the NIA will get custody of Sachin Waze for 30 days. So that will be a sufficient time to break down the defense of Sachin Waze and to get the main perpetrators, like main political masterminds, masterminds, if there are any, on the floor as well, basically interrogate on those lines as well. Now, mentioning about the details that the NIA is putting out, Times Now has relentlessly covered all those details, like DNA samples of Sachin Waze being taken to match with the evidences that the forensic team has gathered from the luxury cars of Sachin Waze that are there at present at the NIA headquarters at Pedder Road in Worli. We have been showing the visuals of how the forensic team have been collecting evidences from these cars. Now, also where Sachin Waze exactly threw away his phone. If we remember, Sachin Waze was taken to different locations in the city of Mumbai and Thane. Basically, the Mahim Creek is been seen as a place where he was made to get out of his car to basically spot
We'll
a
talk
location.
about this. We'll talk about this. But let me bring in Siddhant. Siddhant, you've been speaking to police officers. What do you make of which way is this going?
Okay, Pranesh, so Rakesh has just flashed from the court that NIA has given a submission that they have taken blood sample of Sachin Waze for the for the DNA matching. Now, why this has been done, I'll tell our viewers. So, in total, there are 9 to 10 vehicles which were used by Sachin Waze in the time duration of 1.5 years, and out of which 6 have been seized by the agency, 5 by the NIA, and 1 by Maharashtra ATS. Now, 3 vehicles are still missing, which includes Skoda, which includes Audi car, which includes Outlander. Now, so far the agencies have not been able to establish the fact in which vehicle Mansukh Hiren was killed. They have not found that particular vehicle so far. This is perhaps the reason that they have taken DNA of Mansukh Hiren from the Scorpio, which was used to park the gelatin. They have also taken DNA of Sachin Waze. So now they have done seizures of all the cars. Forensic examinations of those cars are going on, and once the DNA of both Mansukh Hiren and Sachin Waze will match with the DNA collected from any of these vehicles, that day it would be established. That time it would be established that which vehicle was used for the crime. Not just that, Pranesh, there are not only 3 to 4 people involved in the crime. As per the agencies, there are in total 11 people, more than 11 people involved in this entire conspiracy. We have also been told, Pranesh, that there could be a possibility that the name of famous police officers can also come in this entire murder case. So yes, all these things are happening, and this is what NIA has also given as a submission to the court. Back to you.
Okay, we'll have to take a short break, but Times Now tracking the latest from the court. Rakesh sending us those updates. Arunil, Siddhant, for perspective on that, we return in just a bit. Welcome back. Continuing coverage of the Waze investigation. Serious charges that the NIA is levelling against Waze. One of which is that Waze is silent on missing bullets. Of the 30 bullets that were assigned to Waze, 5 have been recovered. He is silent on the 25. Additionally, the NIA, during the raids at Waze residence, recovered 62 bullets that Waze has not answered for. Arunil.
So the question arises over here, Pranesh, is where are those 25 bullets? For what purpose did Sachin Waze use these bullets? Was it also used to threaten people, to basically eliminate some people related to this conspiracy? Were there more people basically linked to this conspiracy which Sachin Waze felt were threat to him? They could be easily broken down by the investigation agencies. So did he actually eliminate them using these bullets? That is the question that arises. With respect to the DNA samples of Sachin Waze that have been taken, that will also be compared with the evidences and the other materials that basically the forensic team has collected from the luxury cars of Sachin Waze as well as the Scorpio car that is at present in the custody of the NIA. If we remember, Sachin Waze was taken to different locations in Mumbai. He was taken to Mahim Creek to basically spot a location. He was taken to the Mulund Check Naka also to spot a location. So were these places where he threw away his phone? Were these places where where he actually burnt his clothes, because from the cars of Sachin Waze, some of the combustible items like kerosene, petrol, as well as a money counting machine were also recovered. Another significant aspect will be the NIA is saying that in some aspects Sachin Waze is not cooperating with us. This is not the first time that the National Investigation Agency is saying that. They have asked for more custody of Sachin Waze and also invoked the stringent UAPA norms, and if at all permissions have been granted in this, then 30 days custody of Sachin Waze will be extended and given to the NIA. However, the NIA will have to prove that how this case is related to a terror threat, how Sachin Waze was involved in anti-national activities. On these lines, some cogent proof will have to be given by the NIA to the court. Rakesh has been reporting from inside court. We will be
Right, his
waiting
blood
for more
samples have
updates.
been taken, and the agency now wants to do a DNA match with samples they've collected from the 5 vehicles seized so far. Siddhant, UAPA has also been slapped on Sachin Waze by NIA.
That's correct, Pranesh. UAPA has been slapped. So we've been told that since the gelatin bars were parked outside the Antilia, and there could be an involvement, Pranesh, I'm using these words very carefully, there could be an involvement of some anti-social elements, anti-India elements. This is what agency is telling me. And this is the reason that UAPA has been slapped. Not just this, Pranesh, the benefit that agency is also going to get is more remand of Sachin Waze. Since yesterday only they have been handed over the other 2 accused. The confrontation is required to identify the other people involved in the conspiracy. One more very crucial detail that I have managed to access is that there was a meeting which took place in South Bombay at a very recognized place. I'm not going to name that place at this point in time because I still don't have a confirmation. Very recognized place to hatch this entire conspiracy. Some of the police officers were also part of the meeting. This is what I'm being told. Not just this, Mr. Waze and his other associates were also part of the meeting, and this particular conspiracy was hatched in that meeting. So there are references of 2 meetings that happened in South Bombay at a very recognized place, and the meeting was took by Mr. Waze.
Right, let's
along
see
with
what the
his
court
other-
decides at NIA seeking extension of Sachin Waze's custody. Keep an eye on the updates. Arunil Siddhant, thanks for joining us.